Okay, we are on the Carnival Legend. This is a 5-day, 4-night cruise. We took from San Francisco to Ensenada and then back straight to San Francisco. So just one stop at Ensenada. We are on the 8th floor, room 8178. This is an extended balcony cabin. Let's see the room. So before we go into everything in detail, when you walk in the room and turn around, you've got a map. It tells you what deck you're on. Again, we're in room 8178. When you walk into the left, you have life jackets. Excuse our items. You've got 3 of these cabinets. So that's 1. This is 2. And it's full length. And then 3. This one has shelves. Okay. We've got a little dressing space with a mirror. You've got a trash can and a little stool there. You have some more drawers for storage. You've got a refrigerator that works. Another little mirror. There's a safe on the inside. Another mirror. A bed. The bed can come as 2 singles or it can be pushed together to make a, I believe this is a queen. And then you've got your couch and a nice little table. I'll show you the restroom in 1 second, but I know most people are interested in seeing the balcony. Right now we are at port in Ensenada, Mexico. We just came back from our day out. This is what you can see. Our room is port side. So if you're facing the front of the ship, port side is the left side of the ship. So you can see there's quite a bit of space. I'm gonna turn all the way around. And you've got a little table and then 2 chairs. And the view is magnificent. So you can see they've got some shopping down there. You can see the city. There's a sign that says Port de Ensenada. And we should be leaving this port in about another hour or so. I'll come back inside and show you the restroom. Okay, so the restroom is pretty tight, as you expect on a cruise. It's not horrible though. I kind of had the ick when I saw this shower the first time, but it's actually not that bad. And I came in and I cleaned everything. You can see my little cleaning pad there. So that's the bathroom. The Carnival Legend, I'm not sure how old it is, but it is an older ship. It is still in very good condition though. So continue watching us for more cruise and travel videos. Stay tuned.